Hello, this is Tarek from ZaCloud.net. ZaCloud is a platform as a service for managing your VPS and applications without any worrying about your infrastructure and maintaining your infrastructure. Basically, we provide a platform to allow you to manage everything on your servers, starting from buying the server from a wide range of server providers, as you can see, like Google Cloud, Linode, and Vultr, and more. And once you buy the server from our side on the provider you want, we give you a platform and a full dashboard that enables you to manage everything on that server, starting from doing automated backups, deploying any application you want on the server, maintaining point-in-time recovery, automated backups as I mentioned, and CI/CD pipelines, one-click application installation, and more. This is introduction. We will explain how you can get started with ZaCloud and how you can use the dashboard to do the basic stuff. So basically, to get started with ZaCloud, you have to create an account to be able to purchase a server. So in this, you can go to the pricing page from the home page. You will find many information about our business and what we are doing exactly. And you will find also the supported programming languages, different frameworks we support, and this basically it's an overview about what we support, but we support a wide range of programming languages and frameworks as well, and databases. And once you go pricing page, you'll find a list of providers. You can buy the server from provider you want with the server with the specs you want. For example, this is from Linode with 25 GB storage and 1 core CPU and 1 GB memory, which costs 11, included the server price and the management fees for the server from our side. Once you select a plan, basically you go to purchase a plan, and you'll be redirected to login page. If you don't have an account, you have to go sign up page to be able to sign up your information. So basically, I will provide some basic information about my new account. I can name this any username you want, and this email should be unique. You should not have a previous account with this email, for example. And basically, you provide also the country. So the country could be like this, and the password and confirmation passwords. And just you click on agreement on the terms and conditions to sign up, and that's it. Your account has been created, and you will receive a verification code. You should enter the verification code here to be able to verify your account. Okay, I have received this verification code, and I will provide it. Once you verified your account, now you are able to log in. And to log in, just you need to provide the email you created the account with and the password, and that's it. Now you will be redirected to our dashboard. You'll find our dashboard under console.zacloud.net domain, and basically you will be redirected to the plan you selected. So I have selected the first plan under Linode provider, and basically this is the checkout flow. Before creating your plan and purchasing it, you have to have something called projects, and basically projects are some sort of grouping your servers under specific folder or under specific project. And the first thing you need to do, if you don't have any project created yet, you have to create a new one. So basically I will say, for example, project could be test-project, and created. Once this project created, it should be you can do a refresh here, and the project will be listed here. Basically, you have this information about the plan, and you have, for example, test-server. You can name the server with any name you want, and -linode. And this email, basically, you need to provide this email because we provide automatic SSL certificates issuing. So if you go to any plan on our website, basically you will find we have automated SSL certificates are being issued for any website or any application hosted on our platform. And to do this, we need you provide a domain name so we can be able to initiate and issue this certificate. So basically you have to provide a working email that you can reach your notification about the SSL certificates. And absolutely we have automatic renewals for these certificates. And there's an automated backup selection that is a paid backup. Basically we do offsite backups on Microsoft Azure blob storage, and to do this we have an integration behind the scene with Microsoft Azure blob storage to automate your backups and to backup your applications and the server as an offsite backup. And this is mandatory to maintain your backups and make sure your backups are secured and are not affected with any thing could be happen on the server. And we have a wide range of server locations for the server. You can select whatever location you want from any region. And for example, I will select the one from Singapore, and you can choose the interval or renewal for this plan. So you can purchase, for example, this plan for only 1 month. You can purchase it for 2 months, 3, and any month you want. Once you select all these informations, you will find in checkout summary the calculations for this checkout. Basically, you have the plan two items because I have selected 2 months, and multiplied by 11, which is the price of the plan, and the backup price. Backup price actually calculated after doing the backup. So while you are consuming our service, the backup price will be added to the next invoice, not from the beginning. And the taxes are 0, total number is 22, the amount to pay is 22, and the currency is in USD. Basically, you can provide something called coupon. This coupon to get a discounted offer on this plan. Once this coupon is applied, you'll find 30% off for 2 months. And this is the original price, and this is the total price after applying the offer. And basically this coupon is pre-funded, so you can the amount to pay finally is 0 because this is pre-funded plan. Once I select all of this and click on create subscription, your subscription will be created, and you'll be redirected to this page which says, okay, we are provisioning the server on the provider. Basically, this process takes about 5 minutes. You get a new notification which says, okay, we are provisioning the server on the provider. Current status is initializing. The server basically is being created on the provider, and after creating the server, you will move to another step, which is provisioning or bootstrapping the server. We do some initialization for the server. This process in total takes about 5 minutes to get everything ready and to get your server up and running. Okay, here you go. Currently the server was created, and you'll find in this page an overview about the server, including the CPU you purchased, the memory, the storage, and the IP of the server, the IP version 6F0. And you'll find here some real-time analysis about your server. Basically, this is the current consuming percentage of the CPU, and the current consumed memory, the current consumed storage. This is 16% from the total storage, for example, which is 25. And you will find some credentials to be able to log in as a SSH user or using FTP client to log into the server. So you have the server username, the password, and the SSH private key in case you wanna connect to the server using a private key, not using the password. And you will find more detailed analysis about the current consumption of the server, the CPU, and memory and storage. You can customize these reports here from and see, for example, 1 hour ago how the server was, and 5 minutes ago, and so on. And you have some setting for the server. Basically, you can do something called rescaling the server, so you can upgrade your server to another plan or another server with more specs as you are scaling up. And you can, for example, change the main password for this server, the SSH password, basically. And you can delete the server if you would. And you have applications tab. And basically, this tab, you manage from there everything related to the applications deployed on the server. So the server itself, you don't have many things to do with that. And to be able to use this server and deploy your applications, you go to Apps tab and you can create a new application. Basically, we support two types of applications: the manual application and one-click app. Manual applications, this in case you have your code and have your developer develop the code, or you are a developer and you have some sort of application you developed, and you have the source code for this, and you want to upload to our server. The other solution is using our one-click app, which is a long list of one-click applications with different categories like WordPress, WooCommerce, Redis, chat, with many applications, including CMS, automation, databases, and more. CRM, for example, and ERP, and other databases like MongoDB, MySQL, MariaDB, and so on. And in the next video, we will talk more about how to create applications, how to set up your applications, either one-click app or manual application. But this tutorial actually is specified for this purpose, for creating a server, doing the purchase, and creating an account and see your account information. And if you go to Projects tab, basically you will find your projects list here. This is a project we created while we were creating the server, and this project, you can create many servers under specific project, and you can have unlimited projects. And projects, as I mentioned before, it's done to do some grouping of the servers that are related together under specific folder. It's like a logical grouping. And you can, if you want to create another server, you can click on create a new server, and you'll get your information. Basically, you have a summary here about the total servers inside this project, the total memory from all servers under this project, the total CPU as well, and total storage. And you have in this table, you have some basic information about each server, including the name of it, the ID, and the ID of the server basically is so important, because we will talk about more about how to contact with customer support. But if you have any problem with the server, providing the server ID will resolve everything, because this is a unique identifier for this server. And you'll find this ID everywhere. Basically, when you go to the server tab, you'll find this ID, and you'll find it in this list as well. And you have the location of the server, and you have the status of it, the CPU, memory storage, and IP version 4, IP version 6. So many information you have in this list to be able to access it easily without any problem. And you have this chat button if you wanna do some chatting. We have 24 hours support, so you can start a conversation and ask about anything you want. If you have any problem, you can click on start conversation, and you will be asked what is the type of the support you need. Is it technical issue, account billing, or sales demo, or anything else? And you can provide whatever message you have. And once you are talking with the customer support, and you have a technical issue with a specific server, providing this ID is so important to allow the agent helps you better. In case you want to see some documentation and articles about how to deal with the dashboard. Basically, the dashboard is on the cloud. You don't install anything. You can click on documentation, and you'll be redirected to the website docs page. You'll find many articles and documentations how to deal with the dashboard. And you have another tab called account. You'll find many sub tabs like my information. You'll find your basic information. You can change your first name or last name or anything. The username basically could not be changed, and you can change email. If you have another email, you can change your email, and this will require another verification step to verify the new email that you are providing. And you have your subscriptions. This basically represents the monetary side of your created server. So each server is created has a subscription, and this subscription has something called bills or invoices. And invoices basically are being issued at every start of the month, the first day of every month basically. And you'll find the subscription basically will automatically collect the money from the balance. So you have this tab called balance. You'll find your current balance is $550 because I have provided when I was purchasing the server, I have provided a coupon with pre-funded balance with $50. And you have the estimated to pay. This is the money that you will pay by the end of the month, because as you can see, the server, I bought the server about 6 April, so it should be it will calculate the money from 6 April to the next you can say to the next month, the first of the next month. So this how it will cost, and as long as you are purchasing more servers, there will be more estimated to pay listed here. And this button, add fund, if you want to add more money to your account, you can go add fund, and this is how we are collecting money. You are adding money from your credit card or from coupon or whatever into your balance, and basically we are collecting the money from your balance. And you can, if you want to add money from your payment method, credit card or something like this, you can write the amount you want to add from your credit card and click add fund. And once clicking on this button, the pop-up will appear to basically have an integration with pay using your credit card or paying with your PayPal account. And this is basically could be done if you have a PayPal account. You can log in with PayPal and authenticate, and you'll pay. If you have a credit card, you can click on credit card, provide your information here, and the money will be committed. This is basically how you can deal with the dashboard for basic information and basic management for your account. In the next tutorial, we will talk about how you can create applications, how you can deal with different types of applications and how you can manage your applications. And thank you for watching.